So Woxsen University is a beautiful campus which is located a bit outside of Hyderabad. And what I found is the university is within absolutely natural setting, which is very congenial for the students and the faculty alike to harness the creativity and come up with the best education system possible. I really like the campus, and it has got a very good environment which has a mix of different people coming together. The academics is very nicely planned, where people like us, the experts and guests and faculty, come and interact with the students from different parts of the world. It's almost like a Gurukul setup that I find over here. It's very interesting. This is one of the best universities that I have come across in India in such a lush setting that I have found. And the facilities that we have, I have been taking classes here for almost a week now. The classrooms are perfectly done for students to have the perfect academic setting. Along with the infrastructure necessary, I've been taking interior design workshop on lighting. And here the allied support system that you have, the staff, the necessary workshops like carpentry and things like that. So we have a very good setup for that. So that is the thing. And also the students interact with each other, which is a very good thing that I saw in Woxsen. Right now over here there's an interior show exhibition is going on. People from different disciplines come and interact. It's truly interdisciplinary, and I find that's essential for a overall development of students and the best faculty that we have over.